I'm going to be honest with you. Most local businesses can never afford a real commercial. A professional production costs between $3,000 and $15,000. When you factor in camera operations, actors, locations, and editing, it becomes unattainable for 90% of entrepreneurs. That was the case before. What you are going to learn today completely destroys that barrier. You can achieve the same results with a budget of nearly zero. Today, I will show you how to do it step by step. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. To begin our commercial production, we first need a script. The next step is to take the options provided and create a storyboard that outlines the visuals. Once the storyboard is generated, we can start creating our videos. I'll begin by using Gemini to help us write a script for a coffee brand video. In this example, I'm using a fictional brand I often refer to called Chili Sin Carne. I'll ask the AI to help write a prompt for a 30-second television commercial about this coffee brand. Let's see what it suggests. It provides a full script structure and it even offers several versions. One is called Visual Heat, which has a warm aesthetic, and another is a surreal kitchen cinematic version. All these versions feature the Chili Sin Carne brand. I think the surreal kitchen option works best for us, so I will select option number 2. Now, I'll ask for a storyboard that includes the visuals, the audio, and the voiceover. The AI has generated the storyboard with the visuals. It looks great. It actually took things a step further than I expected. It's already moving in the right direction. Now, I'll also upload the brand logo, so the generated images maintain the correct visual aesthetic and brand identity. I'll go ahead and generate the first frame. What we're doing here is taking the visual descriptions from the storyboard and turning them into the initial keyframes for our video. The results are incredible. What's interesting is that this version actually generated 2 images, the opening frame and the ending frame within the same conversation. That's something I didn't know was possible. Now we have our first frame, and we'll repeat this process for all the scenes in our commercial. That's how we handle each step, working through all the images using this same process. I won't walk through every single frame here. Instead, I'll jump ahead to show you how to animate them inside Edimaker. At this point, we already have all the images for our sequence ready to go. Now we're going to open Edimaker. You can go to the Edimaker website and you'll find all their tools there. Video generators, image generators, music generation, and more.
And before we continue, if you generate videos, audio,
Or music using AI, I have a bunch of discounts in the description of this video.
okay, let's continue.
Inside Edimaker, you'll notice there are templates available for these kinds of animations. We're going to use the image to video feature. Simply upload your image, starting with the first one in your sequence. For the prompt, we can use the same visual descriptions Gemini gave us in the storyboard. One important thing to note, with models like Kling 3.1, Sora, and Veo, you can also generate audio directly, which is a great advantage. You can paste the visual prompt and also include the audio description so the model generates sound along with the video. For this first clip, we'll select the Kling 3.0 model. Looking at our storyboard, this scene is 5 seconds long, so we'll keep it at 5 seconds to stay consistent with our 30-second total runtime. The platform offers standard and professional quality modes. Professional costs 50 more credits, but it's worth it. Let's click Generate and wait for the result. Our first video clip is ready. Let's play it to see the result. We can download it and it will automatically be saved to the designated folder. This one came out great. That's the Kling 3.1 model in action. For the next image in our sequence, let's try a different model. Let's use Sora. Upload the image, paste the same prompt since it follows the same sequence, select the Sora 2 model, set it to 8 seconds, and use 720p resolution to save on credits. Keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and hit generate. The second clip is done. Okay, and now let's play it to see the result. Now we're starting to see and understand the distinct visual style each model produces. For the third scene, let's use Veo 3. With this model, you can generate multiple output variations at once. Set it to 6 seconds to match the timing Gemini gave us, include the audio description in the prompt, and click Generate. Here's the result of our third sequence. Now let's play it to see this result. As we can see, the sparks effect is a bit exaggerated again, but that's an easy fix. Just refine the prompt and regenerate. You keep generating all the clips your commercial requires until the full sequence is complete. I've now generated all the scenes using those three models: Kling 3.0, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1. Here is the final result. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell to get notifications on my new videos. And if you make it this far, I invite you to watch this other video on how to dub your videos using AI for free. Click here to watch more. See you guys next time. Bye bye.